Hey guys, Kelton and Esther here at Discovery Motor RV and Kia Cold Lake. And we are so excited to announce that this weekend we're gonna have some fun. What are we doing this weekend, Kelton?
We are putting on a RV open house this weekend.
So that means you guys get to come on in and check out all the campers that we have available for sale this upcoming camping season. We're gonna have some fun, we're gonna check out the trailers, and we're gonna have some door prizes. What do we have, Kelton?
We have a 50-pound barbecue meat package from Himmel's Meats, and we also are giving away a Kia paddleboard.
Ooh, that's so exciting! Also, with the purchase of any trailer this weekend, we are giving away a starter kit. That comes with some dishes and flashlights and everything you really need to start your camping season with. Make sure you stop on here as of tomorrow, 9 a.m., Friday and Saturday. Tomorrow is 9 to 6, Saturday is 9 to 5. We're gonna be here. The campers are gonna be all over the place, and we'll answer any questions you might have. If you can't stop by this weekend, make sure to give us a call to find out what we've got here. What's our phone number?
594-6200.
Excellent, Kelton. See you guys soon.